Ay mga higala, welcome back to my channel. O karon mga higala, mo adto mi Walmart kami duha sa akong anak kay nami paliton didto. Ay kinahanglan si RJ short pants. Gamay ra among paliton mga higala, so kuyogi mi mga higala, tara. No. Okay, we're ready. Let's go, RJ.
Daddy's in a truck. Daddy's in a truck.
You follow us?
Huh?
No.
No. Daddy's getting the burgers.
Stop there, RJ. Where's now the entrance, RJ? This?
Right here.
Yeah. Yeah, in a tank.
I'll hop later.
Tank later.
Are you even pushing it?
Yeah, it was.
What? Because every time we pass through there, there's a train. What do you mean car? Why are you worried for a car?
Yeah, I think it's a car, but it's a train.
That's right.
There you go, Walmart.
Nobody really cares about Walmart. We must park. I don't know why we must park, but we must park. That stops.
Oh my goodness.
Since when was there a cart thing for Walmart?
What?
There should be workers out here that should pick up their carts on the sidewalk.
I fixed this because it's crooked.
No.
Oh, still in?
No, we were.
Okay, still in.
Hey, mommy.
Yeah.
The bears are coming for you.
Happy birds. Okay,
Lemon
we here now mga higala. Okay mga higala, naabot na gyud mi diri sa Walmart parking lot. So maadto na mi sa sulod, tara. It's in, RJ.
Oh, look.
Yeah.
Look what I did.
Oh, look at the Walmart. It's brand new sign. Okay. There is Walmart. Okay, close.
This way.
You close?
This is
Here's RJ. Okay, we go. There is Walmart.
I wonder if they still have the McDonald's in there.
There we go. What, RJ?
I wonder if they still have the McDonald's in there. This is a whole new Walmart.
McDonald's in there. Wow, look at that. It's brand new now. Blue. And in there.
They should redo that sign. That sign is white.
Look at that. Oh. Look at this. Brand new. July 12 opening. Not yet open. Yep. Look at that.
What? Give me pictures.
Go close. Go close. Close.
Yeah, I closed it.
Okay. Look at the apparel in there. There's the fruit. the produce in here. Say fresh fruit, vegetables, and local organic. Look at this. How much this? Two. This 2.28 each.
Doesn't look like our Walmart.
Look at
This
that.
looks like a different Walmart.
Different Walmart now here. See. Look at there. Have no more there, or they have no stock in there. Yeah.
And these
Okay, we go here.
Okay, Mom,
Wow, look at nice looking now the Walmart, oh. But not
Show
yet
the rest
open.
of
Look at
Daddy.
seafoods.
you're gonna have to show the rest of Daddy.
Look at that, RJ. It's so look nice now. Here. Look this bread in here. You get a croissant, RJ. Croissant is a small one. Wow, $4.98. So expensive now, huh? $4.98. Yes. My goodness.
With a new Walmart, it's expensive.
Expensive Walmart.
Expensive now.
Oh, where's your food, RJ? Oh, have that in the other. The burger buns are different. Okay, there's Daddy.
Okay,
Cinnamon and lemon.
bananas.
Okay, there is the banana. Nice now. Look, look, RJ. Nice now.
It looks honestly.
It's a green. Wow, so big. Look at that, RJ. Have deli, have pizza, salad. See? You can see now. No, not one that always broken. Only the small one is so big. 2, 4, 6. Only this is smaller, RJ.
Every single thing is holded up by like flyers.
There, look at the. It's so clean, RJ. See? You can see properly. See?
This is
The letter.
This is the most temporary thing I've ever seen. Ice cream.
Ice cream. I'll get one waffle with you. It's hot, RJ. Where's the waffle? Looking for ice cream. Where's that my ice cream, RJ, here? My strawberry ice cream. There is my strawberry ice cream. This, RJ. Yes, ice cream. I like the ice cream here compared to Wincom because it's real.
Do you want the ice cream sandwich or the strawberry ice cream?
It's too, how much to 78 the ice cream? Ang mahal. Huh? Okay, motor. What's that motor pizza?
Okay, you must find a motor pizza.
Okay, go. This motor. A motor pizza, RJ. $5. That's
So
the
is
Motor
this-
City
Is
pizza.
this 4? Is it
Yeah,
4?
4 cheese.
Okay.
Okay, that. Okay, how much? Oh my God.
What?
It's $7.97 or $8.97. My goodness.
It's $7.97.
So expensive.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna.
Okay,
Look at the. Whoa, frozen. Here's the meals, RJ. Breakfast. RJ, there is. Here, RJ. Only one. Have small. Have small, RJ. You have there? Ah, there. Home style. You not see this?
I did too.
Only one. Okay, enough. Here we go. And what else?
You want milk?
I not know.
Okay, I guess we get milk here. Okay, it's right down here.
See your phone? Oh, the one that's there. What's that? That you buy before. Not one. Look at that there. Breakfast, lunch. And have here. Pasta. What you want in there? Doves. You want doves? Go. Slowly. Okay. No, we not get them now.
And Krispy Kreme in here. Okay, down here.
I look at in here. The bread. I have no more bread. Where is now the bread?
They use the bread, okay?
Okay, go. This is
It's
chips.
not even smaller now.
Because have no more. Okay. Okay. Where's your bread, RJ? It's not here.
Your bread is gone.
Oh, it's gone. I not know where's your bread now. My goodness. Oh, look at the big space here. What's she doing? We get the tide, RJ. It's the tide.
Oh,
Careful.
I hit it.
With the $12.
Look at this. Cheater. Cheater.
Hmm.
64 though.
We get this on this small one. The 5.44. This one small. Okay, we go. Look at this Walmart. Walmart new look. Have everywhere the sign. The electronics. This the new look of Walmart.
This can't be so bad that it's the same as the PS4, same thing.
Now come here now. Yep. Okay, nandun na ta sa shirts. Going to the shirt pants.
This
No.
is mine. What's this?
Just come here.
I can't sit here.
Look at this. Now we go to the shirt pants now. Now come here now. Okay, we're going to the shirt pants of boy. Here. Where?
This is the technology area. The back there, right here.
Where? RJ looking for water shoes. What's that?
What?
6? Let's see. Okay, try. How much is that?
Slip it.
I got 16.
$16 for shoes?
Yeah.
That's not too bad.
That's so bad.
Is it
And
one?
here is RJ. Find a t-shirt. But we need to fitting this if we fit or not. And shirt pants here.
Mommy,
Yeah.
it fit.
Let's see.
They have,
Oh,
they have lots of room.
okay.
Okay, we're getting these.
Nawag RJ daddy.
I found water shoes. I found water shoes. Yeah, shoes for the water. I had no. No, whatever. FaceTime. No. There's like.
There is. Yeah, there is. We got RJ have 2 short pants and 2 t-shirt. There is.
The best shoes on earth.
And shoes RJ for water. So
Look,
RJ
the
is
VR.
ready for swimming. You ready RJ? Okay. What? Here, RJ. Still here. $16.98. Here's the bike. You look at the flat tire electric bike.
Over there, that's the car dealership.
Car dealership.
There's a car dealership on the other side.
We look at it. This is the 298. My goodness. Oh, this is an electric bike.
Mommy, there's a car place over there.
Look at this. Electric bike. 298. Look at that. Nice. But it's not patar. I like the patar like this. Like this. Have no ear.
Going down here.
It's not patar. Look like not
Going down
patar.
here. What is this? So
So
low.
small.
It's small, but it looks so nice. If
So
this was
nice.
tall, I would love this. Like up here, I would like this.
Look at the.
This scooter is nice. I got a scooter because the scooter is.
Look at this.
Oh no, where's this one? But
I have no ear. How much this?
Probably like 200.
148.
It's mine.
Small.
No.
Small.
Okay,
Workout. Okay, go na.
probably inside. Don't
Okay.
break the ice.
Yeah. Have no here. See?
Weird. Like,
Maybe the-
ow,
Mm.
I'm bleeding.
Why?
Because you scratched me.
Oh, sorry.
You had injury. What's this?
You know.
Tennis? I want to see how a tennis thing looks.
Okay, mga higala. Oh. Nga mi diri sa gawas. Come. It's night time na. Here he is. Tara. Mimi.
Aww.
Said it open it me. Okay. There we go. Careful. Okay. There you go, RJ. There you go.
What is it? Wait.
What?
Wait a minute. What is this at?
What you want to find?
I'm finding it.
What?
I just got out of it.
What you looking for? Okay. I put now this.
Stop. Stop.
Stop.
You have a card?
Okay. Okay, go. Be careful. Look at in there. Okay, go. Okay, there is Walmart. Mga higala. Ang laki ng Walmart. Ang dako ng Walmart. Okay, let's go now because it's night time. Oh. I think it's 9 o'clock now, or just dark. Okay guys, that's it, our video for today guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.